glamorous in this simple town, but there's a special flower that can only bloom right here. And all the heavy burdens in our heart get carried away. The wind can smooth the wrinkles of the past, like a dazzling reflection in the sky. I hear the distant calling of the azure ripples of the sea. I realize that your laughter reminds me of the soothing sound of the gentle ocean. When your heart can't come